How to fix EAFC 25 Season Pass unavailable on Xbox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Fix 1. Check EA server status. Visit the EA server status page to ensure there are no ongoing issues with the server affecting Season Pass functionality. Fix 2. Restart your console and the game. Press and hold the Xbox button on your controller and select Restart Console option. Now choose Restart to confirm and close EAFC 25 completely and restart your Xbox and relaunch the game. Fix 3. Update EAFC 25. Highlight EAFC 25 on the home screen and press the menu button on your controller. Now select Manage Game and Add-ons and then check for updates and install any available updates. Next fix is to clear cache and saved data. Turn off your Xbox and unplug it from the power source and wait for 10 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. Now, go to Xbox settings and then tap on System and then on Storage. Clear saved data for EAFC 25 from both your console and the cloud. And the last fix is to uninstall and reinstall EAFC 25 again. Highlight the game on your home screen and then press the menu button and select Uninstall. Further, go to My Games and Apps and select Full Library and find EAFC 25 game there and reinstall the game. And you should no longer receive the Season Pass unavailable error. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.